Gates open, they're up and racing. Amazing Mix draws for your lead. King Ramfire moving up down on the inside. Racing in third, Cheese Blanca by the rail top mid. Then comes Lola Carey, and My Wife Knows All is in behind them as they race towards the last 800 with King Ramfire running in second on the outside. Amazing Mix top mid now racing in third, running alongside is the favorite Cheese Blanca. Lola Carey, My Wife Knows All rounding at the last 600. Amazing Mix regains the lead over King Ramfire. Cheese Blanca remains in third, top mid down in fourth. My Wife Knows All, Lola Carey as they race at the last 450. It's still Amazing Mix, King Ramfire, Cheese Blanca moving up on the outside, closing in his top mid. And down the stretch they come. Amazing Mix, this time by about a length. King Ramfire, Cheese Blanca top mid with the last 150 more to run. King Ramfire, Amazing Mix by the Relendori outside Cheese Blanca. King Ramfire doing an upset over Cheese Blanca. Then comes Amazing Mix, My Wife Knows All. Then comes Top Meat and Lola Carey.
Truly an upset. King Ramfire crossing